This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ellen Zeiger. Patio home in EGRET Point of Coral Lakes. 1-car garage and 2-car driveway. It is attached on one side. Roof has been replaced in 2018. Water heater is only a few months old. Home has a beautiful eat-in kitchen with loads of cabinets and fully sized pantry. Guest bedroom and bath are not near large master bedroom. Third room is open and does not have a closet. Dining room and living room are wide open and great for entertaining. Florida room can be used for TV watching or reading a book. Maintenance includes Wi-Fi and cable for UTVs. It also includes your security system and use of the fantastic newly renovated clubhouse. There is a pool in this community as well as indoor and outdoor pools at the clubhouse. 10 True tennis courts and pickleball courts. A full-service cafe, etc. For more information, review the details below or contact Ellen Zeiger at 954-234-0920.